Ebusianfo ma munyina akwaba eba Ghana Nsem TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusianfo, say if I kunya we so na mika mo say our fundraising towards a year studio setup no still is ongoing. So far we've been able to raise 7,000 out of the 25,000. That's it. Edamunyina say na bande screen as say you can help in any way you want, as you always do. Cheers. Damase. Uncle Jacob Allotey Jacobs, now NDC for Central Regional Chairman. I just say due to one or two reasons, no, NDC for Paman or in every party anymore, or no Kukwanye Doho and the others. As a mude Ofui Mahama. I don't know what the issue actually is. And I don't know why Uncle I say it does not even want to hear John Mahama at all. Because he has today I try to be on Facebook, and in his write-up he referred to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as Ofui Mahama. Ofui. Uncle Allotey Jacobs, they want to teach that Mahama best on him. A whole president, His Excellency, we see Ofui Mahama. And the whole conversation around the fact say SNIT does not treat pensioners well to maybe the kind of contributions pensioners make, the kind of money I cost SNIT. And then when people go on pensions, the kind of money they receive from SNIT now, I say it's really nothing to worth even looking forward to. So he was sharing a story. Now the story or see, this retired teacher had bought the very beginning of the story. And he said, let me paraphrase it for you. Apparently, na teacher be, I got to assassin or fraud guy be. Na assassin na enye sa fraud guy ne die, Allotey Jacobs. But the teacher did not know. So Allotey Jacobs realized that they were building on Nasasi, and he took them to court. Or see, the first time they went to court, or no Allotey Jacobs there, or court with his lawyer. The teacher came there with that lawyer. Yeah, Bisan say, man, who lawyer was in for? Now a retired teacher, by the way. I see on this car work of a lawyer until on one hour. And Allotey Jacobs said, "Oh, one day any son, or dream was our see Debbie. Now, Papa, we on this car crowd better or refer lawyer. Why do I still pull this issue with him?" So Allotey Jacobs research about teacher to realize say, Sana teacher no krano, all his teaching career not child they were Allotey Jacobs village. So he went to look for the house of the teacher and all, and then gave him the original document of the land. And now some man is cut to help him complete the building. And now or see, anka or no, anka, politicians should be more focused on bettering the life of the people, rather than the kind of public charade that John Mahama, His Excellency, is portraying, trying to make it look as though Juma Baonyeshi in actual sense. I think a valid case. One of the things that this government so far has been known for, content creation affinity. Everything that John Mahama, His Excellency, any ministers, they don't think about the impact. They don't even care about the impact. All they care about is say, you try video, you try pictures, go post it on social media. And so even for the real things to the heartbeat of the people, the pain on the heart of many, you will not be surprised to see our president use even those for content. Rebecca said recently, I said US, Mahama odi ekano. Say, you see that he was using it funnily. Yes, to him it's no big deal. A trend. Say yenti obia. And I say who said chia? Yes, sir. But forgetting, say, Mahama odi ekano this time around is the pain of people who have worked, farmers who have worked. Farmers who have worked and whom you promised you have a social contract with. What catch the farmers no say? You pay them 6,000. That Akufo-Addo was wicked for paying them 3,100. And then when you come, what could you cancel? And the farmers are crying, they are grieving, and they say minority for or more Ahafo region. Go and see how farmers are crying and grieving. How farmers are sad. They feel insulted. They feel taken advantage of. Now buying way there, all you think about, and he say pictures, video. Now what song kuko bimo. Now you are handing over and kuko no, you are shaking. What do you think about the whole thing? No, as a acting horror movie. Because that's the only thing that comes to mind. It can only be a horror movie. Say a horror movie. How on earth will a government take our money, okay, and go and buy those sick-looking chicks, and then they call somebody come and stand. You hold the chick, the leg, someone hold the neck, and then you shake hand. How? After over 66 years of independence, so I think we are even 69 or 68. This is what we are bargaining for. This is what we are standing for, representing as a country. Come on, we deserve better. We deserve better.
And kumobi kosu krum, nebi awadwen enkoso. Tisi ase boys no edu kromu a. Of course, ma me mpacho, ma mi sosu baako ene baba jama mienu. Ti omo kana na menti asem se na sosu baako baba jama mienu de de ade no so sosu no ye indomie ena baba jama ne ye kosua no makonti okoba indomie joint no ma o se ma mi sosu mienu na ma baba jama so mienu na se eko na issue no eba enkro bebre aka ho asema anopai ena matimi abomoden eputi enema bi together na me no eba beche on se NDC amanyuku no se wo ka ma asem bebre we be fo se bi aha MPP station ti ena da bi e kan DC fo asem no onim se aha de even MPP ni kura fibre MPP wa ban mu no se MPP ni ya ade na enya ye beka MPP bo position ni MPP ni bi ya ade na enya nso a ye ka and only the difference between ye ni NDC fo station because ye de ye ka no kre ye ka no se di sin so etie na unya political party na ne nkoma na wo opposition no di nyina ne se NP madwi mu no NPP for the entro ene wini abanti omo so be di ntro aba aban mu a na oba aban mu ampanyampa sunuane ampa no enema aban ne ye nyina kire se aban ne bo short she Ghana fo nyina no oni any commitment se ba akokra obedi so na ofa obi ti se Sam George a ese Sam George ne osofo Aginasare Sam George elder ewo na sore no sanka by now wabona sen but osofo Aginasare entimi mo Sam George ensen because adwuma Sam George ye no enu abi no osofo Aginasare so ye propaganda emom de ba ban mu ma show videos a kire ene mesa kra mu dia mesa ko yi videos no e de aba NPP wa bemu na Akufo-Addo wa bemu na odi the presidency e de ato line so a na o se oku garamsey no sabre no e na osofo Aginasare e kire se na Akufo-Addo e mo no homoden nti osofo Aginasare etimi kofa insuo fi Russia insuo fi Canada insuo fi say no abeye PowerPoint presentation e wona sori na wa kire se insuo wei e da Canada gold deposit wo mu e say ensuo bi e fa nensan kan insuo wei e da Russia gold deposit wo mu ye say hwanim krojin owia na wa fa cobra na wa fa bremu na wa fa pra na odi ato na wa ka se hwania Ghana insuo ye hwania pra insuo ye hwania cobra ye hwania bremu ye amamu oboni nti any bad leadership nti hwe se ye de yenso ni nyina aseye osofo agina sare and then this ba mu yi galamsey no ne ena ekoso akufo da memu no abon 10 times but yente da say osofo agina sare abie na no aka bibia de afa ho so ebe de no osofo agina sare etmenya some moral right no na wa call some judge to order. Because Andrew me cool social media so no. Now before say in fact fake news. Until say me verify na me who so. No correct say some judge akoka say in the videos and crofo ebo any is mu no tro LGBTQI ho no. No kire say oye adwuma e the NDC eba power. So all that some judge na all ye nyina no. Na enye commitment say opese fight LGBTQI+. But na opese oma MPP ni Akufo-Addo ni Bawumia din bone na NDC enya kwan eba aban mu enti okogina pampa so kan say woto abama Bawumia ene na po a wato abade ama gay no na se na twiri mu no na odada Ghana fo enya tumi aba aban mu ampa ene Sam George ba NDC ba aban mu no ya Sam George communication minister the biggest achievement ene say won tumi radio stations all Ghana ha say otutu mu we ye no free hono mu a o ha achieve hwe Sam George biggest achievement if he send this bar power as Minister of Communication and say otutu wuntumi radio stations mu ontimi achieve hwe and the networks ahodo Ghana ha no akwa from bad to west network telecommunication network no network no quality no akwa from bad to west and then ujira nkra kra no a na wo use network ni bia etwa ne ho saa and minister for in charge of communication or to omonoma onka hu Sam George onka hu very very incompetent on the job and I am me won say Mampani Mahama Emma Sam George eto na nsa da anya me won because or ye hatcher job Emma no Emma oba aban mu tie no ba ye eniem hu hia and now oni DSTV4 eko wo kira wo sisi eniem hu hia na oye enne Ghana network wo de ye call enye ye wo use internet enye ye wo ye bibi enye ye Sam George eno no nti enne I see gay some no de ehia wo mu na ye ka no so a trendy week mu pa na odi Ghana mebunu atem say Argentina Ghana mebunu demand enuma onabu sosu oyemadamfo MP for Madina na odi emebunu atem say emebunu ntina TikTok so no mo ntina Twitter ana X no mo nye they should make noise na omo say noise no ebe create adwuma amomo a and then say mebu to social media so demand enuma onabu to sosu describe no as noise. Because yes indeed waba abemu enti enanim kwan ma ede enti ohu enkrofo demand for jobs no as noise to so omonko set up Indomie joint na omonko ye Indomie na omunyeska then quickly no me decide say I'll check na me hwe onabu sosu ensem o kind specifically about enuma then I realize say onabu sosu was one of the people na omonam a campaign say NDC are buying at the 24-hour economy ba na odi abefa emebu adwuma na omaye 133 adwuma ba akon shift miensa enipa miensa no makwa koye adwuma na ona buso so hye enkrofo bo se wo ba ama tete adwuma enipa miensa aye wo ba ama efrene sen nurse adwuma enipa miensa aye wo ba ama yo nipa miensa aye na enipa no demand nyuma na ujina say they are making noise because NDC ayena dwen say bosha o share Ghana fo nyina no onfa ba kumpo enya adwuma entuko education sector bosha o share nyina ba kumpo ontimi implement ye oko agric sector and then agric nyina a cave in say agric no eye mines anka cave in and very soon Ghana for expect to say a Beba Ghana late this year and early next year because of Sania Ray Kupuku manage agric sector no and now because oko health sector so also ajigon oko roads and highways Kwame Agboja at the wire factory so sourcing and everywhere any promise bia NDC for ye biano omuni so yankoko honorable Sosu Madina MP Francis Xavier Sosu in opposition and then in government na wa hwe ema ho in opposition and then in government o de wa hwe na wankasa ejeje ema ho me ba na yento aso
within the 24-hour economy no ye be share adwuma say from 6 o'clock into obi be 6 ebe bo be say 2 no na wapon the second set ebe come from saa 2 no ebe bo 10 no so apon the third set be come be say 10 and past 6 no appointing 8 hours bia no nipa ye adwuma.
A few moments later,
sit on Twitter and TikTok and make the noise and see what that noise creates jobs. Can you imagine if you're a young person and all you are doing is having a small Indomie joint that gives you about, let's say, 200 Ghana cedis profit a day, and you have about 10 of those Indomie joints? How much are you making a day? Ghanaians and young people must begin to look at entrepreneurship as a way out of the youth unemployment situation. Otherwise, I fear that we may just crash, and that is the honest truth. Jenny, within the 24-hour economy, no, you be share myself from 6 o'clock into 6. The second set ebe come from saa 2 no ebe 10 no so apon the third set be come be 10 and past 6 no appointing 8 hours bia no nipa ye adwuma.
a few moments later,
sit on Twitter and TikTok and make the noise and see what that noise creates jobs. Can you imagine if you're a young person and all you are doing is having a small Indomie joint that gives you about, let's say, 200 Ghana cedis profit a day, and you have about 10 of those Indomie joints? How much are you making a day? Ghanaians and young people must begin to look at entrepreneurship as a way out of the youth unemployment situation. Otherwise, I fear that we may just crash, and that is the honest truth. Jenny,
all right, Auntie Francis Xavier Sosu and Mote Ninkano in opposition and then in government. And in opposition, not Sosu, I gonna free so say I buying 8 million for the payment. And the youth no Abel Kufuado at the presidential pitch Abba now or the Ghana Enterprise Agency Emma and Mebu Juma someone fan create and entrepreneurs and Kitinkiti set them up. Kofi for soon cancer nom any why ye you must set a Mebu up say Mebu na bet me creating Yuma. And one typical example, I think that's how the MPP phone to me can say. One of the biggest achievements about MPP entrepreneurship drive, no, and the chicken man, and the pizza man. Chicken man, and the pizza man, and no baby who be a cotton and know how would you know. And your MPP are buying and the Kufuado. And a fast young man, no. Na or share ne proposal na o man is ka man de set it up and then Afghan ha baby when you pardon do ma form adwuma and only the ideas and MPP are buying at the adwuma. I think MPP ain't mean trumpet chicken man any pizza man success no enough because a MPP creation and a source and Marantia na sene Emu edi omu proposal buy ma buy eso omu emene omu buy a big brand e Ghana e will be a kokoto aduane die. That is the driver and MPP are buying air through NEIP through Ghana Enterprise Agency anyway you know ni ade edi crofo share inumam apprenticeship na ombenya omunsa no adwuma sabre no na Sosu edi mabunanim eye unnecessary demonstration esa catch MPP before say ayi nyo kaka ho no ende men kanka ho krankasa omo mo ti asset ase na odi Honorable Sosu as a lawyer was so irresponsible say na o use those words no edidi Akufo-Addo aban ene mpanifo atem ene na onam ese emebru bo say NDC di nyuma 133 eba enti no omo ba adwuma bia o Ghana ha bia ombeche miensa mo te se ono abobo time no so de kire mo afọ baba mu na mebu no say ɔno abuso mu hyɛɛbɔ bɛma yɛ adwuma fa adwuma ne bra oso mo Twitter ɛne ayi so ɛyɛ noise nti ɔmo de ɔmo kɔ so na ɔmo tena na ɔmo yɛ noise na ɔmo hu sɛ noise no ebetumi akriti adwuma etu yɛ Ghana ni ba na sɛ wo okoti saa nima akyi ekoto abadema NDC a ɛnde ɛwa wo gyegyirigye megyi ɛde kwaku dawuro